Hey Gail.
Hey.
What are we gonna do?
We're going to get a hole in the van.
A big friggin' hole in the
Another big
van.
hole. A bigger big hole.
So we've got 90% of it cut. There's just a little spot in the middle at the top that's not cut. And otherwise we see daylight all the way around. We're using the jigsaw, and I've taken the base off of it, and we're running that little roller along the edge, and it seems to be working really well. So we'll finish this one off and take another picture. That's a big friggin' hole in the side of your van. Are you nervous now?
No, now it's done. I'm not nervous.
By the time we finish, we're going to cut here. This is the sliding door, and it'll be a window. That's a FlareSpace. The back two windows have to be cut out, and another FlareSpace on this side. The only part of the van that's not being cut into is this little piece over here.
No, I didn't.
Oh my god, it got to temp?
Yes, it must have. Okay.
We pushed in a little piece of backer foam in here, kind of filled this space and kept all the shards from going inside, and I think it worked really well. And it's still keeping stuff from going down deep. We should be able to just vacuum it. I think we might just leave it there.
What's that tool?
That's my deburring tool.
Let's see it. Very little tip on there.
Yeah, it cuts on the inside. That little ball at the top follows the piece that you're deburring. I actually had it for plumbing.
That doesn't work so well.
Huh?
This is the best tool to use. Okay, this is the sticky, gooey stuff that's going to hold the FlareSpace into place. That was left inside so it's warm enough that it comes out easily enough.
Yeah, it comes out quite easy compared to the other stuff.
And this is about 3 by 5, right?
Yeah. And we used almost a whole tube on that.
That's one done.
Okay.
It's kind of dark, huh?
is from the inside, the first FlareSpace on the passenger side. We've got it all caulked in place there, and the trim ring that we did the other day fits right inside there.
Side 2 starting.